Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to increase column width and height in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here some data. Now we want to increase the column height and width. At first, select any column. Now I am select the column. Click right button on our mouse and we can see here the format wide option, column wide option. Now we can see here the wide number. You can change this, you can increase this. Now I am make column wide 20, then click OK. We can see we increase the column wide easily. Now I am select another column and click right button and select column wide and change the wide. Now I am right 15. Now we can see we increase column wide easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.